In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Shopify customer support, whether you're a new user on Shopify or you've been around for a while. There might come a time when you need a little extra assistance, whether it's a question about setting up your store, troubleshooting an issue, or just needing some advice. So, let's dive right in and talk about how to reach out to their support team effectively. First things first, you will want to open your internet browser and go directly to Shopify's website by typing in shopify.com. If you're already logged into your account, that's even better. But if not, don't worry, you can still access the support page without being logged in. Once you've arrived on their homepage, take a moment to scroll down to the very bottom of the page. This is where you'll find the footer navigation items, which can often be packed with useful links and resources. It's easy to overlook, but trust me, this section is crucial. As you scan through the footer, keep an eye out for an option labeled Support. It's usually nestled in the bottom right corner of the page. This is where the magic happens. Within this section, you'll notice a link to the Shopify Help Center. Click on it, and you'll be taken to their comprehensive support library. The Help Center is like a treasure trove of answers, loaded with assistance articles, FAQs, video tutorials, and step-by-step guides. If you're dealing with a common question or problem, chances are you'll find an article to resolve it right here. It's designed to help you get things done quickly, so I recommend scanning through before moving on to other support options. Once you're in the Help Center, you'll be greeted by Shopify's AI assistant. This AI is super handy for answering a wide range of questions, from account issues to troubleshooting. It's an excellent first stop, especially for straightforward inquiries. If the AI can help you, you'll get a solution in just a few minutes. But if you're like me, sometimes AI just doesn't cut it. Don't worry, there's always an option for personal support. If your issue is a bit more complex, or if you'd prefer speaking to a real person, what you need to do is look for the option that says Chat with Us. The button is usually located underneath the AI's responses or prompts. When you click this, you'll be connected to Shopify's live support team. Now, depending on the time of day, the availability of support agents can vary. They might be busy, so you might need to wait for a minute, but don't worry, they'll be with you as soon as possible. Shopify's live agents are trained to handle more nuanced questions and can provide personalized assistance that the AI just can't. Once connected, you're all set to chat directly with a customer service representative. They're there to help you with more detailed issues, from complex store settings to account-related queries. Be ready to provide specific details about your issue to get the best support possible. You can also ask follow-up questions during the conversation if something isn't clear. If you need even more options, Shopify offers support through phone and email, but keep in mind that these channels might have longer wait times than live chat. The phone support can be especially helpful if you prefer speaking to someone directly or if you have a more urgent issue. To sum up, accessing Shopify's customer support is a simple, efficient process that starts at their main website and guides you through to finding exactly the help you need. Whether it's a quick solution through their AI or a more detailed interaction with a real person, Shopify has you covered. The steps are pretty straightforward, but by knowing where to look and what to expect, you'll save time and get the help you need faster. Shopify offers several avenues to make sure your store keeps running smoothly and efficiently. So there you have it, a complete guide to connecting with Shopify customer support. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this information useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. And of course, if you have any other questions or need more in-depth support, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Shopify store.